how to transfer Viber messages from one Android to another. This tutorial shows you how to back up your Viber chats and restore them on your new device. First, open Viber on your Android device and tap on the More icon at the bottom right corner. After that, tap on Settings and then tap on Account at the top. From there, tap on Viber Backup at the top of the list. At this point, tap on Google Account at the bottom and select the account you want to use for your backup. In the next step, tap on Backup Now at the bottom right to start backing up all your chats immediately. Following this, make sure your internet connection stays stable and wait for the backup to fully complete before switching to your new phone. Finally, on your new phone, open Viber, go to the same account and Viber backup settings, and tap on Restore right next to the backup button to bring all your chats back. And that's it. If this Viber guide helped you transfer your messages to a new phone, give it a like, subscribe for more Viber tutorials, and tap the bell icon for updates. See you in the next one.